In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Webflow. If you want to create a backup version of an existing project, reuse a design as a starting point, or make major changes without affecting the original, duplicating a Webflow project is a quick and useful option. The process is very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect at each stage. To begin, go to your main Webflow dashboard. This is the area where all of your projects are displayed. So it's the starting point for managing your sites. Once you are there, take a moment to find the specific project you want to copy. If you have several projects in your account, it can help to carefully scan the project cards to make sure you are selecting the correct one before moving forward. After you've located the project, move your cursor over that project card. When you hover over it, look toward the bottom right corner of the card for the three dots icon. This icon opens a menu with additional project options. Click those three dots to reveal the available actions from the menu that appears. Choose Duplicate. This tells Webflow that you want to create a copy of the selected project rather than edit the existing one. It's a helpful feature when you want to preserve your original work while creating a separate version you can modify freely. Once you click Duplicate, a pop-up window will appear. This window asks which settings you want the duplicated project to inherit from the original. Depending on your needs, you can choose to copy hosting settings, SEO settings, and integrations. These options are optional, so you can select only what makes sense for your workflow. For example, if you want the duplicate to behave more like a complete clone, you may want to keep those settings. If you are using the duplicate for testing or a new variation, you may prefer to leave some of them unchecked. After reviewing those options and making your selections, click Duplicate Site. Webflow will then create a copied version of your project based on the choices you made. Once the duplication is complete, you should see the new project appear in your dashboard, ready for you to open and edit. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.